Are you tired of avoiding bread but still want to maintain a healthy lifestyle? Well, you're in luck. Discover these bread alternatives that will satisfy your cravings without compromising your health. If you're looking for a healthier option than regular white bread, consider almond bread. The special thing about it is the flour it's made from, almond flour. This flour has a really low GI, glycemic index, of less than 1, and it has less sugar and fewer carbs than regular wheat flour. Now, almond bread might seem a bit high in calories and fat at first, about 250 calories and over 10 grams of fat for two slices. But here's the cool part. Most of the fat is the good kind that's good for your heart. Plus, those two slices only have about 8 grams of total carbs with 4 grams of fiber. This means almond bread is a much better choice for managing blood sugar compared to regular white bread. And guess what? Almond flour is full of good stuff like calcium, iron, manganese, potassium, and vitamin E, which is great for your brain. It's also a good source of magnesium, which studies show helps regulate blood sugar. With high protein, fat, and fiber, almond bread fills you up faster and slows down digestion, helping you control your glucose levels. So, next time you want bread, give almond bread a try. Bell peppers, also known as capsicums, come in many vibrant colors and are packed with nutrients. They're more than 90% water, helping keep you hydrated. In a 100-gram serving, bell peppers have just 31 calories with 1 gram of protein, 6 grams of carbs, and 2 grams of fiber. This low carb to fiber ratio gives them a low GI score of around 15, meaning they won't spike your blood sugar. Studies suggest that peppers might reduce the risk of heart disease and certain cancers thanks to their vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. For example, a medium sized red bell pepper has about 170% of your daily recommended vitamin C. Bell peppers also provide potassium for heart health, vitamin A, beta carotene for eye health, and vitamin B6, pyridoxine, for making red blood cells. To use bell peppers as a bread replacement, cut them in half and remove the seeds, creating a low calorie, low carb, and nutrient packed crunchy alternative to bread. So, consider trying bell peppers for your next mini sandwich. They're delicious and nutritious. Love burgers but want a healthier bun option? Try using portobello mushrooms. These mushrooms have a rich, earthy taste and a meaty texture, making them a great low carb substitute for traditional buns. One portobello mushroom has only 22 calories, 2 grams of protein, and 4.25 grams of carbs, with 1.3 grams of fiber. Portobellos have a low glycemic index, making them a good choice for managing diabetes. They're packed with nutrients like vitamin D, manganese, phosphorus, and potassium, offering benefits for your health. Portobello mushrooms contain betaine, which may reduce the risk of fatty liver disease, and ergothioneine, a powerful antioxidant that could help normalize blood sugar levels. These mushrooms are also about 90% water, which means they can help keep you hydrated. While they might be a bit tricky to eat by hand due to their moisture content, the health benefits make them worth it. Give portobello mushrooms a try as a bun substitute and enjoy a tasty and nutritious twist on your favorite burgers. Did you know that kings in ancient Persia once loved eating lettuce? Nowadays, lettuce might seem a bit plain, but it can be turned into a tasty and satisfying wrap. Eating lettuce regularly is a good idea because it may lower the chance of getting type 2 diabetes. It might even help reduce the risk of stiff arteries and heart attacks. Lettuce is low in carbs and calories, and it's packed with important vitamins and minerals. 1 cup of lettuce has only 8 calories, no cholesterol, and less than 2 grams of carbs. It also has small amounts of vitamin A, vitamin C, calcium, and potassium. If you're using lettuce for wraps, the big outer leaves of iceberg lettuce work well as a tortilla or pita bread substitute. But if you want more crunch and extra nutrients, try romaine lettuce. It has more vitamins and minerals. Whether you choose iceberg or romaine, using lettuce wraps can help your body cut down on unnecessary carbs and give you lots of good nutrition. Stay tuned until you discover how these following bread options have very unique health benefits, adding layers of nutrition and flavor to your quest for a healthier lifestyle. Did you know that tortillas can be a good choice for people with diabetes? Yep, it's true. When you pick 100% whole grain tortilla wraps, you get all the good stuff from the whole grain: the outer fiber layer, the middle part, and the nutrient packed core. Eating whole grains like these can help fight obesity, prevent diabetes, and lower the risk of heart disease. Whole wheat tortillas are packed with beneficial nutrients like calcium, iron, and potassium. And get this: one true whole grain tortilla has just 92 calories, less than half a gram of fat, 19.5 grams of carbs, and 2.5 grams of fiber. That's much better than two slices of white bread, which can have more calories, way more carbs, and way less fiber. Just be careful with white flour or corn tortillas. They have more starch, less protein and fiber, and often have refined sugar and fats that aren't so good for you. So, instead of the usual high carb white bread, consider trying a 100% whole wheat wrap for your next sandwich. It's a tasty and healthier choice. Ezekiel bread is not just any bread, it's a special kind that's good for you. It's made without flour, has no cholesterol, and is low in carbs, making it a friendlier choice for people with diabetes compared to regular white bread. The bread got its name from a verse in the Bible, and it's made from whole grains that have started to sprout. This sprouting process is like a superpower for the bread. It breaks down starches, making it lower in carbs. It also helps your body absorb important nutrients like B vitamins, folic acid, calcium, iron, and magnesium. Plus, sprouted grains release natural antioxidants that are good for your health. If you check the nutrition facts, one slice of Ezekiel bread has 80 calories, 4 grams of protein, 15 grams of carbs, and 3 grams of fiber. Even though it has some carbs, the fiber and protein can slow down how your body reacts to sugar. Here's a cool thing: Ezekiel bread has a low glycemic index score of only 36. That means it's a good choice for people trying to manage their blood sugar, especially those with diabetes. So, next time you make a sandwich, think about trying Ezekiel bread. It's a tasty and healthier option. Eggplant, also called aubergine, is a vegetable with lots of water in it. A cup of cubed eggplant has only 20 calories and no cholesterol. It has 4.8 grams of carbs but 2.4 grams of fiber, giving it a great carb to fiber ratio. Because of this, eggplant is a good alternative to bread. It has a low glycemic index, GI, meaning it helps keep your blood sugar stable and can aid in weight loss. Eggplants also have vitamin C, B6, and K, and a cup has 10% of your daily recommended manganese intake. Eggplants contain powerful antioxidants like anthocyanins, as well as phytonutrients like niacin and chlorogenic acid. These may help protect against cell damage that can lead to cancer and lower the risk of heart disease. To make snack sized roll ups, cut an eggplant into long strips, add seasoning, and bake in the oven for 15 minutes. Once softened, you can use these strips to wrap around your favorite healthy sandwich fillings. It's a tasty and nutritious way to enjoy a sandwich without using traditional bread. Cucumbers are mostly water, about 95%, but they're more than just a hydrating snack. Packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin B9, folate, vitamin K, beta carotene, potassium, and magnesium, cucumbers offer a variety of nutrients. In one cup of cucumber, You get just 16 calories, around 4 grams of carbs, and about zero point 0.6 grams of fiber. Although the carb to fiber ratio isn't super high, cucumbers have a low glycemic index (GI) score of only 15. This makes them a good choice for helping control blood sugar, staying hydrated, and reducing the risk of strokes and certain types of cancer. Research even suggests that the anti inflammatory compounds in cucumbers can help your body get rid of waste and reduce skin irritation. Using cucumbers as a bread replacement for a sandwich is simple. Just slice a cucumber in half lengthwise, scoop out the middle, and fill it with your favorite sandwich ingredients. So, if you want a refreshing and nutritious sandwich, try using cucumbers as your bread substitute. It's an easy way to stay cool and enjoy a tasty snack. These options offer not only unique and delicious flavors, but also numerous health benefits. From the hydrating crunch of cucumber subs to the earthy richness of portobello mushroom buns, each choice brings its own set of nutrients and features that contribute to overall well being. So, whether you're looking to manage blood sugar levels, reduce calorie intake, or simply try something new, these inventive substitutes provide a tasty and nutritious twist to your favorite sandwiches. Give them a try and savor both the flavor and health perks they bring to the table. Thanks for exploring these tasty and healthy alternatives to traditional bread. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your thoughts or any questions, and hit that subscribe button for more content like this. As always, we wish you the best in your diabetes recovery.